we're preparing for the next America's Cup. The public will be blown away by the performance of these boats. You know, by the time the America's Cup final rolls around, they'll be just amazed that a sailboat can perform that efficiently.
Well, the America's Cup is a technology game. To have Dassault Systems and Oracle Team USA be involved when there's been arguably the biggest change in the sport ever to date, I think is fitting, because both Oracle Team USA and Dassault Systems really are all about progression, stepping ahead.
So the AC-72 will be amongst the fastest boats ever sailed around a race course. And the race course we will be facing here in San Francisco is a very, very tight one.
After we won the 33rd Cup, we chose Dassault Systems because we wanted to have a more integrated design program.
We're using software from Dassault Systems to basically go all the way from conceptual design to detailed design and production of the race boats.
The best way for us to evaluate what will work and what won't work in terms of systems and functionality is to use 3D experience.
When you walk the floor of the design office of Oracle Team USA, you will see people modeling using CATIA, building 3D lofted surfaces which build the base of all designs, and then you go into detailing the interior. You will see people using the tools of Simulia to test the structural properties of the elements that were designed in CATIA, and then feed the information derived from that back into the design loop.
Dassault Systems Innovia is important to us because we have a group that's divided up internationally, and it allows everyone to collaborate and be up to speed on latest designs.
We never lay down. We're really always pushing it. And with Dassault Systems, they enable us to keep going back and questioning things, re-looking at modifications.
Most of the design work is actually happening in the virtual world. Programs of Dassault Systems are very strong tools to work in the virtual world of engineering. So from modeling to virtual testing, all the tools Dassault Systems is providing are actually very essential for our work.
The sailors are the end users, so they have to be involved in this process. And that is probably one of the most important parts of this game, is the relationship between the designers and the sailors. So it's really the relationship between the technology and then the guys that go out there and use it.
3D experience not only helps us in modeling concepts for the boat that we're building, but we use it on our website, we use it for marketing applications to show renderings of what the fans are going to see in San Francisco in September when these larger-than-life boats are flying over the water.
The sailing fan and the non-sailing fan, when they look at these races, will be really taken back by the performance of these boats.
Obviously, there's always a learning curve involved with any new program you're taking on. But it did not take us long to really benefit from these programs big time. And the overall envelope of what we got is amazing.
You look at the 3D experience today, what's in the future? And that's something that's going to be pretty exciting.
We're extremely happy with the way things are going. We're extremely happy with our relationship with Dassault Systems. I wouldn't want to trade positions with any of the other teams. I think we're in a good space and I like where we're at.